Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome from Yahoo or any other search engine to Google. So it's a very simple process that only takes a few steps. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, just simply open your Google Chrome. After that, just simply click on the three-dot menu at the top right-hand side corner. And over here, just click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now in the search menu, scroll down until you find the search engine option. Here you will see the option Search Engine used in the address bar, which you can see right over here. So now over here, what you do is just simply click on Change, and then a new menu will appear in front of you over here. Just simply select Google from the list. This will set Google as your default search engine for all your address bar and searches. So click on Set as Default. Now after that, to verify your changes, just simply open a new tab from the address bar. And after that, you should be able to see the Google search result page confirming that Google is now your default search engine. So that's it. You have successfully changed your default search engine in Chrome from Yahoo or any other search engine to Google. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.